Our next story is about Bitcoin. It has seen a lot of drama in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin has witnessed some sharp swings. Yesterday, it hit a new record high. One Bitcoin was trading at $120,000. At one point, it even touched $122,000, but then it slipped back earlier today. In fact, a Bitcoin was trading at around $117,000. So what is fueling this rally? A flood of institutional investors is pumping money into this cryptocurrency. Plus, Washington is stepping up support. This week, the U.S. Congress is discussing a series of bills to regulate crypto assets. But today's drop has also sparked doubts. Is this Bitcoin's breakthrough moment or just another bubble? Here's a report.
It's an eventful week for Bitcoin traders. Yesterday, Bitcoin has smashed through another record, but the rally was short-lived. On Monday, the cryptocurrency surged past $120,000 for the first time. At its peak, it was trading above $122,000. Today, it slipped back as traders began to take profits. The climb capped a week of extraordinary gains. Bitcoin is up 7% over the past 7 days and 23% since the start of the year. So what's driving this surge? First, a flood of money into Bitcoin ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. Last week, Bitcoin exchange-traded funds logged their biggest inflows this year. More than $1 billion poured in a single session. Second, growing support from Washington. U.S. lawmakers have begun what they call the Crypto Week. They are deliberating a series of bills to regulate the industry. The aim is to give clear rules to investors and institutions. The industry has long sought that clarity, and it comes at a time when big investors are buying Bitcoin at pace. U.S. President Donald Trump has been bullish about Bitcoin. He describes himself as a pro-crypto president, and his inner circle is involved in several ventures tied to digital assets.
And instead of attacking industries of the future, we will embrace them, including making America the world capital for crypto and Bitcoin.
All this has fed a narrative that Bitcoin is entering a new phase, from speculative token to mainstream asset class. But today's trading tells a different story. After hitting a record high yesterday, the price fell nearly 4% over 24 hours. By evening, Bitcoin was trading just under $117,000. Some analysts call this healthy profit taking. Others say the rally may have run too far, too fast. Experts feel the sentiment has shifted from clear breakout to caution. So can this momentum in Bitcoin withstand its own success? At its heart, Bitcoin remains volatile. It is lightly regulated and prone to sudden swings. Past rallies have often ended in spectacular crashes, leaving retail investors with heavy losses. This time, the hope is that institutional buyers and regulation will anchor the price. But for now, the signs are mixed. The surge over the past week has been dramatic, but the swift fall reminds us how quickly sentiment can turn. Is this the start of Bitcoin's new era as a serious financial asset, or just another bubble waiting to burst? For now, the market seems to be asking the same question as well.
Firstpost now available in 9 languages on YouTube. English,
Stands at $36 trillion.
French,
Le FMI, comme
German,
Geschäftsführenden Direktor
Hindi,
$30 trillion ka karjo.
Indonesian,
Pemerintah tanpa pemeriksaan.
Italian,
Sekali radikali.
Japanese,
$1
Portuguese,
por causa do próprio balanço patrimonial.
Spanish.
Beautiful bill.
Go to Settings, click on Audio Track and select the language of your choice. Be the first to know what's happening around you in your first language. Firstpost.